boy. Let's see what's over there. Oh, I didn't get, that's a bad throw. Didn't get in the hole all the way. Oh God, what's that? A damn catfish bit my plug, bro. Huh? I shit you not. A damn channel cat just bit my damn Rattler Road. Shit. I didn't know what the hell it was. Look at that. I ain't never seen that. Never seen damn catfish bite a... He must have been hungry. I was jerking it pretty fast. Huh? Shit. I caught all kind of catfish today. Well, I ain't going home. He can get 8. Put him in there. Dropping him out. All right. Old catfish. Oh, what did happen? All right, I'll get back up. Don't jump out. On a damn broke back rebel. I caught a catfish. Well, see something new every day. I never seen that shit. Keep on trying. Oh, shoot. Yeah, probably. Fish that hole. Put it up down. Get up under here. Old channel catfish must have been hungry. Apparently bass and everything like it.